Today I will explode the sun. Ha 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 ha
I'm bored,
ha.
let's watch
I have no
TV.
idea
I
what to
finally
do
found
today.
it. Time
Maybe
to
I'll just
explode the
watch
sun.
some
There
TV.
I put a bomb. Yay, now the city is in trouble.
We have 5 minutes left before the explosion. Please seek shelter immediately. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test.
More like this is only a
We
test.
interrupt your programming that a giant
Everyone has
troublemaker
a
is going to destroy
Wait a
the
minute,
whole
I
city,
just realized.
including a flying
Wait
house
for
that
me.
almost destroyed some cars, got hit by a brick wall in a building. Also, the giant troublemaker looks like two rectangles with two eyes, and mouth, black arms and legs with normal hands and feet, and shoes, and his name is Splat. And also, here are the rules: close all lights, gadgets, curtains, doors, and electricity. Seek shelter immediately. This is the emergency alert system, signing
This
off.
dangerous storm was located near Linton, or 30 miles southeast of Terre Haute, and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. In addition, at Midland, a rotating wall
Oh
cloud
no.
was reported
The
by
giant
trained spotters
troublemaker.
at 9:30
I got to
p.m.
follow
Eastern
the
Daylight
rules.
Time with this storm. This storm has a history of producing ping-pong-sized hail as well. Locations impacted include Bloomfield, Worthington, Swift City, Lyons, Newberry, Crane, Burns City, Owensburg. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
What the? A tornado? Again? Oh crap, I gotta run.